What's the meaning of creature? Creature. Creature.
Creature. Creature. Creature refers to any living being, whether it is an animal, a plant, or another form of life. It is a broad term that encompasses all forms of biological organisms, including humans. Creatures can be found in a variety of environments, from the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains. They come in all shapes and sizes, from microscopic bacteria to giant whales. No matter the form they take, creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem and the balance of nature.